The Mahindra Scorpio N 2025 model is an SUV that seamlessly blends rugged performance with modern features, designed to cater to adventure enthusiasts and urban commuters alike. Its bold and muscular design makes a strong statement on the road. The front fascia is dominated by a signature grille with chrome accents, flanked by LED projector headlights and dynamic DRLs that enhance visibility and add a premium touch. The sculpted hood and prominent wheel arches contribute to its aggressive stance, while the dual-tone alloy wheels and roof rails add functionality and style. The rear features sleek LED taillights and a roof-mounted spoiler, ensuring the vehicle looks just as impressive from behind. Under the hood, the Scorpio N offers a choice between a powerful 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine and a refined 2.0-litre M-Stallion turbo petrol engine. The diesel engine delivers up to 175 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque, while the petrol variant produces 200 horsepower and 380 Newton-meters of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and responsive performance. The Scorpio N also features Mahindra's Scorpio intelligent all-wheel drive system, which includes multiple terrain modes such as sand, mud, snow, and rock, ensuring optimum traction and control in challenging conditions. Its robust ladder frame chassis enhances off-road capability without compromising on-road comfort. The interior of the Scorpio N is a blend of luxury and practicality. The spacious cabin features premium leatherette upholstery with contrasting stitching and soft-touch materials on the dashboard and door panels. The SUV offers a flexible seating configuration, accommodating up to 7 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The second row seats can be reclined for added comfort, and the third row can be folded flat to expand cargo space when needed. The panoramic sunroof allows natural light to flood the cabin, creating an airy and pleasant atmosphere. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Mahindra's Adrenox technology. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice commands. A premium 12-speaker Sony audio system delivers immersive sound quality, making every drive enjoyable. The instrument cluster combines a 7-inch digital display with analog dials, providing key information like speed, navigation, and vehicle status at a glance. Multiple USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and rear AC vents with climate control ensure that all passengers are comfortable and connected. Safety is a top priority in the Scorpio N, with advanced features to protect occupants and enhance driving confidence. The SUV is equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and hill descent control. It also features a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and a tire pressure monitoring system for added convenience. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and forward collision mitigation enhance safety on highways. Additionally, the Scorpio N's strong build quality and high-strength steel construction ensure excellent crash protection. Performance on the road is smooth and responsive, thanks to its well-tuned suspension system. The Scorpio N absorbs road imperfections with ease, offering a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The steering is precise, and the body roll is well controlled, making it easy to handle in both city traffic and off-road adventures. The SUV's ground clearance of 205 mm and water-wading capability of 650 mm make it a dependable companion for exploring unpaved paths and challenging trails. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Scorpio N impresses. The diesel variant offers a mileage of around 16 km/L, while the petrol model provides approximately 12 km/L, depending on driving conditions. The SUV also features an eco-driving mode to optimize fuel consumption during everyday commutes. The large 60-litre fuel tank ensures fuel refueling stops, which is particularly convenient for long journeys. The Mahindra Scorpio N 2025 model is available in multiple variants, catering to different budgets and preferences. It comes in striking color options like deep forest green, Napoli black, Everest white, and royal gold. Adding to its visual appeal, the competitive pricing and extensive feature list make it a strong contender in the SUV segment, appealing to families and adventure seekers alike. In summary, the Scorpio N 2025 is a complete package that combines robust performance, premium interiors, cutting-edge technology, and advanced safety features. It remains true to its rugged DNA while embracing modern innovations, making it an ideal choice for those who want a versatile SUV that can handle both city life and off-road challenges effortlessly.